I am a monkey and I live in the rainforest. I eat bananas, mangoes, figs. My hunter is eagles and hawks. I am fast and clever. I had skills. I look to have brown fur and soft. I have playful personality, social skills, nature. I could hide camouflage from my protectors from on rainforest trees, and my fur gives me invincible.